Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's scripting/extensions quick tip tutorial. In this very quick tutorial, I'm going to be explaining how to use JSON and the different ways you can include it in either your script or your extension to make sure that you can parse or stringify any JSON information. Before we get started, I do want to remind you down below, hit subscribe and the bell icon to be notified of new videos coming out twice weekly on the channel. And down in the description, you can check out the code that we're going to be going over today that you can copy and paste into your script or extension. And down there as well, you can also follow us on Instagram for updates. If you're not a member of our Discord server, come and join us and get help with scripting, extensions, plugins, expressions, and much more. And then also contribute tutorial ideas if you want. And if you'd like to help support the YouTube channel and get cool perks at the same time, you can become a member, supporter, premium supporter, or VIP. And shout out to all of our supporters. We have Planet S, Macro Generator, JPearl, Nitant Mestri, Rodrigo, Earth.io, and Joan. These are our current members on the channel, and thank you very much for your support. So onto the tutorial. There are two ways that we can include JSON to make sure that we can access all of its uses. We basically only ever use JSON mostly for converting arrays or objects into strings and then bringing those back as an object that we can easily access via JavaScript. The normal way we include things inside of a script or extension, which in this case is applicable to an extension, is by saying hashtag or $ include and then the name of your file. In the case of most extensions, you're going to have a JSON2.js file inside of your JSX file for your extension, and this is a direct reference to the same file in the same folder as our JSX file, which is called JSON2.js. Sometimes though, this does cause an issue. I'm not entirely sure if it's a versioning thing or a permissions thing involving After Effects or Adobe. But if this sometimes doesn't work for you, if you get an error saying error on line 1 of your code, which is your include, you may be having some issues parsing out JSON as well. A way you can do it is by having an inline JSON declaration. And what this does is it basically allows you to access the main JSON abilities, which is JSON.parse and JSON.stringify, to convert data into a string or back into an object or an array. So this code will be in the description. If the include that you normally could use isn't working for you, you can simply copy and paste this single line of code into the beginning of your code, and that will give you access to be able to say JSON.parse and JSON.stringify. And those are the two methods you can use to include JSON and then start to use it in either your script or your extension. I think these methods are useful to know. Most people know the include, but the inline fix can be a fix in a lot of extensions, or just an easy thing to not have to worry about pathing to your actual JSON file in a regular script. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button. Down in the description, hit subscribe and the bell icon to be notified of new videos coming out twice weekly on the channel. And down in the description, you can get the code for this inline JSON on our GitHub, and you can also follow us on there, as well as follow us on Instagram for live updates. If you're not a member of the Discord server, come and join and get help with scripting, extensions, plugins, expressions, and much more. And become a channel member like the members we shouted out today in one of these tier levels. Help us out on YouTube and also get cool perks. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.